Yeah! Oh! Motivated cattle cart! Let's go out there. Hold up.
I live for this shit!
Yeah. Y'all go outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ho!
Open it more. Outside!
Wait, is this a tornado?
No, this tornado will be a lot calmer. It's like a tsunami. Wow.
It's healing! Oh, watch out! Who wants to do a cross country run?
The common area.
Motivated PT!
The common area on this on all sides fucking pouring water.
Hey, let's go motivated PT!
Motivated PT! Motivated PT!
Can't open the door. It blew off. Blew off.
What?
It flew off one of the mechanics buildings. It blew off. The mechanic, like, you know how it says 17 whatever? That metal plate flew off.
Whoa!
Alright, look out. Look out. Let me in.
Whoa!
Let's go on the green on green motivated PT! I am fucking here! If it ain't ready,
Ah! This video is way better than the last one. Hey!
I know I'm going outside barefoot. I was, but the CEO was out there.
Ah,
He just yelled at him.
Oh! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Oh no! What? You just opened the door and let all that water in?
No, it just opened the door.
Wow. Yeah, my feet are soaked.
I know we're not training unless we're training in the rain. I know this. I'm hurting.
I suddenly have the urge to make a head clap.
Yeah, me too, dude. What's your new PT run? You down? I already did that. Right now?
Hey, how much trouble do you think we'll get in if we just ran out there?
It should come. Sergeant's already told us to come inside. We're already locked down.
I was out there until he said go back in. I was out there like until 22. I was gonna go out there and have my cover on top. No. Black is like rain, but that's obviously not working. I can't even see anymore. My glasses are all wet.
Hold on, what was that one? This is what we asked for. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Elevator. I just saw one running.
Who? I can't see. I took my glasses
Shit,
off.
because you're blind and it's like almost 100 yards away. You want to go outside if we go for a PT run? Oh, I wish. If I could PT run in this, I would.
You think we could sneak out the other side? Hey, let's sneak out the other side.
Good for you.
Let's sneak out the other side. Whoa! Whoa, I hope my iPod's waterproof.
Yeah, you can't go that way. No, you can't.
Don't go that way. Hey, check it out. It's like the Titanic. It's all flooded in the air.
We're like on the walk.
First floor is gonna get flooded.
We're about to get flooded down that bed.
Motivated first floor. Hey, flooded all day.
All right. I know we throw Ajax on the ground. I know we throw Ajax on the ground.
Oh shit.
Hey, I know we swab. I know we swab.
I know if I watch, we fucking get that shit.
Shit, you understand? Hey, I'm Firewatch. I put out fires. I don't stop no fucking fun. You don't do anything about floods?
Hell no.
What about swimming pools?
Nope.
Do we need a lifeguard for this?
What about tornadoes?
All right.
You do you, Tornadoes.
We need a motivated volunteer for lifeguard duty down here on the birthday. It's getting flooded.
It's flooded right here.
Yeah, we're getting flooded down there.
Call the National Guard. Get some sandbags.
Dude, look, it's like the Titanic.
Oh my god, look how deep it is!
Oh.
God damn.
Oh.
It almost goes up to the fucking holes.
Hey, jump in. Jump in.
Hey, I think we need a lifeguard on this side. Somebody's doing the other side. Oh, there's like 2 inches.
2-3 inches.
Go.
Well, I'm gonna report this. Where did that come from?
I want to go the fuck outside.
I want to go too.
I knew that, buddy.
Wait!
Firewatch is supposed to stop this kind of shit. Firewatch is, well. Get reflected. Willis, you got it?
I would, like.
Who wants to go report it?
Is your room flooded or what?
Hey, I'll go. Let me put my
This
stuff
is
down.
still something that needs to be reported, right? I'm going. I need a medical.
Hey, it's like super flooded on the other side. Like you don't even know.
I know we fucking swab Marines.
Oh!
Holy guys, get out! I'm swabbing, goddammit! Yes,
Hey,
I'm
where's
swabbing.
that-
Please do not step where I'm swabbing.
Ajax, where's the
For love of
Ajax?
God. It's there somewhere.
Where the fuck are the sandbags? Why are you putting it that way?
I'm swabbing. I don't swear to God, you do.
This is field day.
I don't know steps where we just swab Marines.
I know.
To get where we need to go.
Holy shit. There's an ant running for it. He's fucked. He's fucked.
What's up? Ethan.
He did. Oh, he did.
Are you pissed off? Let's
Go kill each other.
I was. I'm sorry.
I know we swallowed.
Wait, did Pouliot go outside already?
Yup.
Man, I
I'm
missed.
going out now, man.
Man,
Is it up?
Hold the door here, bro. Hold the door. Calming down. Yeah, it is.
there was like nothing a minute ago too.
The definition of flash flooding.
My shoes are
We got the flashes and we got the flooding.
That is not what definition of flash flooding. You're cold. Get out there. You're just gonna get wet. It's not that bad.
Oh, somebody got hit by lightning.
Oh shit. I'd be out there.
No, you hear the sirens. Somebody must have gotten hit.
No, that means something probably got it. Or somebody was driving and it just spun out of control. We have the water control under control.
Where you at, Firewatch? Firewatch, I know this is your job.
This is the barracks at Fort Leonardwood.
Yeah, we're getting water out too.
It's actually working.
Hey, Willis, am I allowed to videotape the duty or no? Oh, really?
That was running from my smoke pit. I was under my smoke pit. Started to go inside. I ran from right there to my door. In less than 2 seconds, soaked from head to toe. When it started doing that, that little cyclone wind shit with the hail.
Cyclone.
He's down there. Well, y'all flooded too, Evan? Hey, Evan, it's because of the vent. Oh, yeah. I think. We started from the bottom. It started from the bottom.
Okay, okay.
This is like a never-ending streak.
That was badass when you told me.
Yeah, why are you pulling it in from the other side?
I'm not. It's just pouring it.
I got soaked in this in 2 seconds. Alright, we got him off. Hey, who wants to go grab a mop bucket from secondary?
I enjoyed this so much.
Right after field day, too.
Yeah, right there. They're getting the water out right now.
Yeah, this is kind of like a big fuck you to your field day.
Right? And you field day today, right?
We field day every day. Somebody left 3.
Yep, that was me.
Wonderful. I'll try and pee it off.
You nasty. I'm still recording.
I'm cleaning the